So with the wire, it's not anywhere you need. All you need to do is just tie it up. There's nothing much about it. Just tie it up. And then on the next one, so we're just going to go through it. All we do is we tie it to it as well. You don't have to pull it very hard.
Oh, okay.
So all you do is tie it. So that's your basic fence now done. That's done. That's your basic fence. So all we need to add now is just the energizer and the earth spikes. Okay, the energizer is on. Then we've got these leads. So the green is for earth and the red is for the live. So at the front of the energizer, you see the different colors as well. So we will remove this. So it looks like an inside. So all what you do is with your green wire, put it in there and you turn it back. So now we know the earth is connected. The earth wire, and with red, after it's live, the red, yeah, it's connected there. So what you can do now is, before you put in the earth spike, all you do is with this clamp onto the fence. So with the earth spike, at the energizer, it needs to be fully into the ground, all the way in. But for demo purposes, we'll just push it in the ground for a little bit. So on the green clamp you've got, that goes onto your earth spike. So now your energizer's got a reference to earth. So as soon as it's got a reference to earth, the voltage on the fence goes higher. Because you want the voltage to be as high as possible and not go into a low voltage state. So now that this is done, so the fence part is done, we've got a little tag, looks like this, Nemtek Tag. So if you look on the energizer here, on the logo, the Nemtek logo, if you scan on it, you'll hear a noise. It makes a beep noise. You can hear the fence is on. It's making a noise. Also, the energizer light will flash. If it flashes green, it means that it's on.
Oh,
And if the solar light flashes, it means that it is charging. And then the battery light will also be green to show that the battery is fully charged. When it's in a low voltage mode, that energizer light will then flash red. So then that's when you tell your customer, we see it's in a low voltage, we can up it with this little tag. All we do is on the logo, hold there for 2 seconds, and then it's in a high voltage state. So if we test this fence now, you will get 11,000 volts. So also with all our energizers, we can move it. So when this section is done grazing, you can switch it off, remove all the clamps from your earth spikes, from the live wire, remove the energizer,